Assalamu alaikum. The topic of our today's presentation is fifth generation cellular mobile network technology, also known as 5G. Me, Mohammad Abdullah, alongside Kainat, Arshad, and Ayman Sajjad will be discussing this topic. The agenda of our presentation is first the introduction of 5G, how it became the successor of all networks, its performance in terms of bandwidth and latency, specifications about new generation mobile network technology, the security concerns coming alongside 5G, and its applications. The introduction of 5G. The radio technologies have been a rapid and multi-directional evolution with the launch of the analog cellular system in the 1980s. Thereafter, digital wireless communication systems are consistently on a mission to fulfill the growing needs of human beings. 5G enables a new kind of network that is designed to connect virtually everyone and everything together, including machines, objects, and devices. Beyond its speed improvements, the technology is expected to unleash a massive 5G IoT Internet of Things ecosystem where networks can serve communications need for billions of connected devices with the right trade-offs between speed, latency, and cost. The next point to discuss are the features of 5G. It can connect up to 100 times more devices with almost negligible latency and speed up to 10 gigabits per second. The wide range of applications concerning 5G revolves around the industrial sector, health sector, and business models. It is a ubiquitous network, which means it will be available everywhere in the upcoming future. 5G is a constantly evolving network with high capacity and faster response time. Now we will discuss as to how it became the successor of all networks. The first generation 1G came in the 1980s, which delivered only analog voice. The second generation 2G introduced digital voice. The third generation came in the early 2000s, which brought mobile data. The fourth generation 4G LTE, which we are using right now, came in the 2010s. 4G LTE ushered in the era of mobile broadband. 1G, 2G, 3G, and 4G all led to 5G, which is designed to provide more connectivity than was ever available before for us. It is a smart network, which means that 5G is unified and has more capable air interface. It has been designed in such a way that it has a very enhanced mobile broadband, supporting 100 times more increase in traffic capacity and network efficiency, with an extended capacity to enable next generation user experiences, which will then empower new deployment models. Let me explain to you what latency is at first. Latency is the time taken for devices to respond to each other over the wireless network. 3G networks had a typical response time of around 100 milliseconds, 4G is around 30 milliseconds, and 5G will be as low as 1 millisecond. The early users of Verizon's 5G ultra-wideband network in Chicago and Minneapolis reported peak speeds of nearly 1 Gbps and latency less than 30 milliseconds. It will be delivering new services with high speed, superior reliability, and negligible latency. 5G will expand the mobile ecosystem greatly. It will make a huge impact on every industry as well as making transportation much, much safer. It will provide remote healthcare, precision agriculture, digitized logistics, which bring us closer to a reality. Now, Ayman Sajjad will be discussing the other features of 5G. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Ayman Sajjad and I'll be carrying forward the discussion about 5G, which Abdullah has explained earlier in his slides. In case of cellular technology, most important feature is its performance, and these are the 8 most important things we will use to determine the performance of 5G. Data rate. Do you know 5G is designed to support up to 10 terabytes per second per square kilometer? Mobility. 5G technology is designed to enable the devices that are traveling up to 310 miles per hour to stay connected to the network. Reliability and availability. 5G experiences same level of reliability as 4G LTE. As it uses network virtualization services, so its availability isn't a big concern. Connection density. 5G is expected to support 1 million devices in square kilometer area, which is 10 to 100 times more devices per square kilometer than 4G. Also, 5G network is more secure than its predecessors. Energy efficiency. 5G has low energy requirement for the network operations, only 10% of the current device consumption. Latency. 5G technology offers an extremely low latency rate. In 4G, it was estimated to be 200 milliseconds, but for 5G it is expected to be 1 millisecond, which is just a thousandth of a second. All kinds of new applications become possible once you reach low level of latency, including combining augmented reality, virtual reality, mixed reality, computer vision, haptics-enabled tactile internet, and robotics. Position accuracy. 5G is thought to be accurate in terms of its position. It can be used to pinpoint locations with better accuracy. Now, the other thing I would like to discuss is what are the expectations from 5G technology that masses are expecting. 5G will be able to give higher multi-GB per second peak data speeds, ultra-low latency, more reliability, massive network capacity, increased availability, and uniform user experience. Also, 5G mobile communication includes OFDM, a waveform type which is used for the modulation. OFDMA is implemented for multiple access in 5G new radio. Both 5G and 4G LTE uses same multiple input, multiple output technology. 5G uses smaller cells that give greater frequency reuse, which significantly increase the level of data capacity. 5G mobile uses multimeter wave communication, which requires large number of base stations to give the required coverage. 5G is designed to not only deliver faster and better mobile broadband services compared to 4G LTE, but can also expand into new service areas such as mission-critical communication and connecting the massive IoT. It's still on evolving stages. It is expected that connecting devices will be 3 times the population by 2022. 5G is unified, more capable air interface. It has been designed with an extended capacity to enable the next generation user experiences, empower new development models, and deliver new services. With higher speeds, superior reliability, and negligible latency, 5G will expand the mobile ecosystem into new realms. 5G will impact every industry, making safer transportation, remote healthcare, precision agriculture, digitalized logistics, and more a reality. Now, Kainat will continue from here and tell us about the security concerns and applications. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kainat and I'm going to talk about the security concerns and applications of 5G. With the evolution of technology comes numerous concerns. 5G's success is accompanied by users' privacy and security concerns. Semantic information attack. When a user connects to a cell tower or antenna for communication, it can reveal valuable information about the user's location. Each time a user connects to a 5G antenna, mobile networks can pinpoint a user's location and can even determine what building a user is in. This shows a major privacy concern related to 5G. Data collection. Data collection is another major concern for 5G users. Virtually all smartphone applications require users' personal information before or during installation. App developers rarely mention how and where they store the data and what they'll use it for. 5G networks have no physical boundaries and use cloud based data storage. 5G operators cannot protect or control user data stored in cloud environments. International Mobile Subscriber Identity, also known as IMSI. IMSI attacks can reveal the identity of mobile subscribers. By seizing the IMSI of the subscriber's device, an attacker intercepts mobile traffic in a defined area to monitor an individual's activity. While an attacker can see the number of outgoing calls or text messages sent, they still cannot see the contents of that message. However, even after an individual has left the attack area, the attacker can still monitor the number of past and future calls or messages. Increasing cybercrime. Cybercrime is growing. With increased connectivity, the crime rate would also increase. 5G is going to bring a mega change to this world, that is through its applications. The following applications of 5G are smart city, manufacturing, construction, mining, agriculture technology, energy consumption, healthcare facilities, transportation and logistics, consumer IoT. Smart cities. What are smart cities? Smart cities use Internet of Things to collect real-time data to better understand how demand patterns are changing and respond with faster and lower cost solutions. 5G is absolutely essential to the future of autonomous cars. These vehicles will need to detect obstacles, interact with smart signs, follow precise maps, and communicate with each other, even with cars made by other manufacturers. New modes of public transport will emerge, such as on demand smart buses and flying drone taxis, which will also rely on next generation network connectivity. Smart buildings will enable businesses to work more efficiently by regulating energy consumption, while devices such as smart billboards will enable companies to target consumers more directly. The 5G based infrastructure that smart cities will be built on is set to offer a wide range of opportunities for forward thinking businesses. Internet of Things (IoT). The Internet of Things is already gaining pace, but the introduction of 5G will provide the infrastructure to connect billions more devices to the Internet. The increasing number of IoT devices in the home provides a big opportunity for hardware manufacturers, but the real potential lies in industrial IoT. This technology is already revolutionizing a diverse range of sectors, including manufacturing, agriculture, and retail. One sector that could be completely transformed is the healthcare. IoT is going to help deliver treatments in completely new ways. In the future, 5G will enable a host of new innovations such as remote robotic surgery and personalized medicine based on data from wearable health trackers. Immersive entertainment. 5G networks will be vital for supporting the growing demand for mobile video. But 5G's unparalleled data capacity, speed, and low latency will also help to enable a new breed of immersive entertainment thanks to technologies like VR and AR. These technologies are already helping to boost the fan experience in sports and other live events, with innovations such as AI games and interactive game day programs, while VR is helping to recreate the live experience for those at home and on mobile devices. 5G will enable more innovations in this area. Now I will summarize our presentation. 5G has provided the world with great benefits. It has succeeded all networks and provided the gift of best performance in comparison with its predecessors. The mobile network broadband cellular technology has provided us with many new amazing applications, making the world a better, optimized world to live in. Thank you.